Good morning and welcome. It's Jelly Cube from the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, coming to you with another little pour again today. Hopefully it's a stunner. Let's be optimistic and let's hope I get some good results out of these paints today. So I previously mixed up some autumn colours for this week to do different kind of paint techniques with autumn colours. So I've took some of the autumn colours aside and added Floetrol to them to thin them down so I can do my Dutch Pour Aussie Kiss with thin down paints. Now I've added no silicone to these paints whatsoever, so I'm really hoping that I don't kind of get the holes in that I don't like, but we'll see. I can fix it. Mrs. Fix It, I can fix anything basically to a certain degree that I do, and if you don't get it to a stage that you really love, then just scrape it. It's only paint, don't stress over it. So this white I made up, and I put a good pouring of gold into it because I didn't want it brilliant white, so it's kind of like a minky beigey colour, so it's not brilliant white. So I thought I'd just try that rather than pouring with white. Now it's looking to me like the paint is too thick already to do a Dutch pour, you know, to blow it. So I just give it a try with my hairdryer to blow it, and you know, if it doesn't blow around, then I'm going to have to just mix the paint thinner. So let me try. Oh. That definitely needs thinning. I can just see it, so I'm going to actually thin the rest of it with a bit of water. So I mean, I've already put that down now, so I'm just hoping the thinner mix over the top, or I may just blend it all in with my spatula or just my fingers. So I've tried the recipe, like people keep saying, oh, watch Canella, watch Molly's recipes for their, but because I'm using different paints to those US lovely ladies, I am not getting, when I follow their recipes to a T, I'm not getting the same results because I'm using different paints. Obviously I'm in Australia and they're in the US, so whatever paints they're using, they can, you know, add those exact amounts and get a really good consistency for the Dutch pour. But I'm just not there yet. It's not working with the paints that I am using, so I've got to just keep working out what works best for me. And that's the same with anybody in any different country, because all of the paints and pouring mediums don't act the same. So try it again. Here she goes again. Oh my goodness. One day I might get this exactly right. But like I said, I've just got to work with it, with my paints, my pouring medium, and just hope that one day I might get there. So I'm going to, some of these are custom colours that I made up. Where's my little chart? Gorgeous, gorgeous custom colours that I made up. Don't know if you want to take a little screenshot of that because it's kind of got how I do my custom colours with metallic gold and silver. Make up some colours of my own. So this one is a gorgeous, and I have got to be careful with this because I believe it may turn everything muddy, I suppose, because it's got the bronzy in it. But autumny colours, that's what I'm doing this week, so I'll just trust in the process, hopefully. So this is the bright orange with a good dash of yellow in it, as I like to give. So it's kind of, remember, it's not the classic Dutch pour. This is, you know, my own take on it. This will be the kiss and blow, which I love doing. So it's all good to, you know, copy others' techniques to the, you know, to the word, but it's also nice to add your own spin on it, things too. My radio has suddenly come on. What is the gremlins in the room? My goodness. 1 second, turn my radio off. It's just suddenly, oh, it's suddenly come on. That's weird. Hello, is there anybody out there? Yes, it's me. Okay, this is another custom colour I did. That's on that chart. So, oh, look at those yummy colours there. They do look nice. Do look nice. Now, red and the orange. Now I wish I'd done a bit of yellow to go in there, but that's okay. I like that orange blown out, that'd be nice. And I'll add obviously a bit more white in here. So remember, it's my Aussie kiss Dutch pour or kiss and blow technique, so just make it your own, guys. Alright, let's give this one a go. Maybe I'll need to put a bit more of this paint to, I don't want to do what I've seen done in lots of artists that blow the white back over the colours. I don't like doing that because I think it dilutes the paint. So you've got to do it your own way. Your own way. So here we go. Let's just, hang on. I might put a bit of that lovely sort of, oh, I'm going way out with those colours again. I'm going to cover the whole canvas, so give it a go. Whoa! What? Love it! Holy dooly, holy dooly, jackaroony. No silicone whatsoever. Look at this. I love it. I'm going to just do a little bit of blowing around down here to, wow, 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 wow. Love it. Oh, I'm excited. Oh, you crazy lady. Oh, I love it. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love it. That's the only person you've got to please is oneself. Oh, I love that. Oh my goodness, I know just the person for this pour too. I know just the person that will love this too. Oh my goodness. I love it. Are you allowed to say you love your own work? Of course you are. You've got to be your own, well, I'm usually my own worst critic, but also when I love something, get crazy excited, because if you watch my channel, you will know. Oh my goodness. Now, this would not really need any balloon kissing, but I don't often do the balloon kissing because it, oh, geez Louise, because it needs it. I do it because I just love to add my take on it. And as you know, what did one lady call me in the week? Balloon Queen. My husband thought that was quite amusing, and he said, yes, that's a good name. That's definitely a good name for you. So, wow, love that, love it. Let me just check to see if I can just add some of my gorgeous, gorgeous. This is a well-used deflated balloon. Unlike me, it's deflated, but it might work really well. Let's give this a little, just a little baby few, just a baby few kisses. Bring out some of that colour underneath, just down these corners, this one end of the canvas. As I've told you before, it is so much easier if you allow the paint to dry for half an hour or longer. When you're balloon kissing, the balloon just seems to then work better in the paint. If you're, you know, if you're new to trying this balloon kissing, I would say leave your paint to dry off a little bit, then come back and balloon kiss it. You know, 20 minutes, well, I was just gone an hour on a previous pour and I come back and it still worked perfectly fine. So try that if you're having trouble with your kissing. Go away, leave it for a while and come back and try again. Love that, absolutely love that. That has got no silicone in, so it will be perfect for putting a coat of resin on if you so wish to. If I can remember, I will try and add a link below in the description of my because I've been asked a lot lately for varnishing or gloss coating a finished product, so I will try and add the link underneath for you guys. The other thing is there is a link there to my Australian online supplier that I get all of my goodies from, Capriole Shabby Chic. There is everything else. You can get everything what I use on Amazon in the UK, Europe and US. So guys, get busy, get art therapizing. Is that a word? Therapizing. Get your bit of art therapy. Stay home, create, do whatever it takes to make you feel good. That's exactly what I do, and I absolutely love that. But this is the thing, the ones that I absolutely love, so excited, rave about, get the least amount of views or any interaction. It's really weird when I look at one and think, gosh, no, that's not so good, but you know, somebody will love it. Everybody raves over it, so I don't know what's going on. It's quite crazy. Okay, I think this particular one in those paints deserves a big canvas, so I'm going to get the big guns out. Maybe I will do it tomorrow. I've got a 21.8 centimetre by 40.6 centimetre canvas, and I am gonna have fun with that one. So until tomorrow guys, please join me tomorrow. I'll put a video out every single day. I'd be really happy to hear your comments, and yeah, very happy with this one. So thanks again for joining me, rambling on again. Until tomorrow, take care, stay safe, and bye for now.